Want to know how to enable or disable notifications in Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing this menu icon on the top left side, the three hamburger icon. So you can just simply select it, and now once you have selected it, here you should be seeing your notifications right here. So just simply select it. So now once you have selected your notifications, in order to disable it or enable it, just simply toggle it just like this right here. So once you enable it, you can just simply select show notifications and it's a show, and in order to disable it, just simply disable it again. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day, follow us for more of these videos, and see you in the next one.